Hi everyone, this is the video number 15 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and today in this video we will learn what is network scanning and how you can perform network scanning, means steps for network scanning. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we will understand what is network scanning. So basically, network scanning is a process to identify active host, port, and the service used by a target application or system. For example, you are scanning a system and you get some open port, active host, and vulnerabilities of that system. So this process or this scanning called as network scanning. So I think now you understood very well that what is network scanning. Now we will understand about steps for performing network scanning. So our first step is select a target and second step is scan IP range. Means in this step we will scan a server or our target server, then we will find all IP addresses or all systems of that server connected with that server. Our next step is scan open ports. After this we will find open ports. And then checking services, means we will check or scan which softwares or applications are using on that server. So it is also an important step. Then our next step is grabbing versions, means we will collect all information about that versions of that softwares or systems. Then we will grabbing also operating system, that which operating system are using on that server. Is it Windows, Linux or Mac? Then bypass IDS. In this step we will learn how to avoid some problems in network scanning. After this, select correct scan. There are many types of scan, so after collect all information, in the last step we need to select a perfect scan for our network scanning. So these are some steps to perform network scanning. So if you like this video and you want to know more about this network scanning, then you can tell me in comment section. I will make another video on this topic. So that's enough for this video. See you again in the next video.